Let me take you through all 10 dimensions of the universe at once. The zero dimension is a point with no dimensions at all. Although a zero-dimensional point does not exist in reality, we use it all the time. For example, when you are preparing to go to a certain location, the position shown by your phone's navigation is a zero-dimensional point. It has neither size nor shape. Even though we can mark it on a map, we still cannot see it in the real world, because it is merely a placeholder in mathematical space, used only to represent the coordinates of a precise location. The first dimension is length. When we extend a straight line from a zero-dimensional starting point, the concept of one dimension is formed. It has no width or thickness, only length, and it can extend infinitely. For example, if you are standing on a straight road, you can only move forward and backward, but cannot perceive left and right or up and down. That is, one dimension only includes motion along a straight line, just like moving from point A to point B, and between these 2 points, there exist infinitely many zero-dimensional points. The second dimension is width. When we expand this one-dimensional line, a two-dimensional plane is formed. At this point it has length and width, but still no depth. If two-dimensional beings were to exist, they could move freely forward, backward, left, and right, but would never be able to escape this plane, nor imagine the existence of three-dimensional shapes. At the same time, the concept of width is everywhere in our lives. For example, when you want to pass through a door, you subconsciously consider whether you can fit through it. The third dimension is depth, and this is the dimension in which we live, used to represent the distances between objects. It grants us rich sensory experiences, allowing us to move freely in a three-dimensional world full of solid forms, and to perceive the shapes, sizes, and distances of objects. But the universe we inhabit goes far beyond this. The fourth dimension is time. It connects the past, present, and future, and gives meaning to the evolution of the universe and the causal relationships of the world, allowing us to recall the past, present, and future. It is like when we watch a movie, we can freely drag the progress bar, and even pause or speed up the playback. But the difference is, in reality, time is like a river that flows endlessly forward, forcing us to move only from the past to the future and never turn back. And according to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not fixed and unchanging. It varies with differences in speed and gravity, giving rise to the effect of time dilation. This means that the time perceived by each person is not the same. When someone moves at an extremely high speed, or is in an environment of extremely strong gravity, time will flow at a different rate. The movie Interstellar vividly demonstrates this time dilation effect. Next, we will step into five-dimensional space and even higher dimensions, at which point your brain will face a huge challenge. Because we are accustomed to perceiving three-dimensional space, it is very difficult to imagine higher dimensional structures. Just like a two-dimensional being looking at a three-dimensional circle, he can only see a line, and cannot see the complete information of the circle. The fifth dimension is parallel universes. Imagine a lush, branching tree standing before you. Each branch represents a choice in your life. Different choices shape different worlds, and these worlds run parallel to your current world. According to existing theories, the moment you make a choice, a parallel universe is immediately born. Different careers, different families, any single choice creates a new branch, and thus experiences a different future. It can be said that five-dimensional space encompasses all possibilities, displaying infinite life trajectories. The sixth dimension is parallel universes plus time. If the fifth dimension allows us to coexist with worlds of different choices, then in the sixth dimension, time connects all parallel worlds, and allows you to see every parallel universe at the same time. Although you can see how different parallel universes are connected, this does not mean you can know everything that could happen or will happen, because in this dimension, you can still only see the past and the present, but are still unable to see the future. The seventh dimension is the multiverse. Imagine a vast cosmic library, containing all possible universes. Each universe has different initial conditions and physical laws. Just like each book in the library tells a different story. Some are similar to our world, while others are completely different. Some have highly advanced technology, while in others magic becomes reality. And seven-dimensional space is like the administrator of this cosmic library, who can access all different universes, experience various possibilities and laws, explore the infinite diversity of the cosmos, and witness the rise and fall of countless civilizations and cosmic wonders. The eighth dimension is the multiverse plus time. It is a network formed by linking the timelines of all universes. Each node represents a major event that could lead to a new branch of the universe. Within this network you can see the interactions between universes. For example, the Big Bang of one universe may lead to the formation of another universe, or a civilization in one universe may communicate with a civilization in another universe. Eight-dimensional space reveals the intricate connections between universes, and how historical events shape the fate of the cosmos, presenting a magnificent panorama of cosmic evolution. and such incomprehensible high-dimensional concepts currently exist only in the imagination-filled minds of physicists. The ninth dimension is the surreal. Imagine you have a sheet of paper in your hand that can be folded into various shapes, and each fold represents a change in the universe's initial conditions or physical laws. Each folding method can create a new universe. This is the concept of nine-dimensional space, which contains all possible physical laws and initial conditions. Like the creator of the universe, able to create all imaginable and unimaginable universes, as well as everything in all dimensions, thus demonstrating the infinite combinations of physical laws and initial conditions, and the boundless transformations of cosmic structures. The 10th dimension. Here the universe no longer has direction, and time no longer flows. All possibilities converge into a single point. It is both the end and the beginning. All things become one and the universe returns to zero. Everything seems as if it never began, and yet everything seems as if it has always existed.